Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a college from option entry. Begin by logging into your admission portal using your unique user identification and password. Navigate directly to the option entry or college preferences section on your dashboard. This area clearly lists all your currently selected institutions. Always ensure a stable internet connection, perhaps with at least 2 bars of signal strength, before proceeding to avoid any unexpected issues during this crucial process. Once you have accessed your option entry section, carefully review your entire list of colleges. Precisely identify the specific institution or institutions you no longer wish to consider for admission. Look for a clearly labeled Delete or Remove button, often shown as a small X icon, located right next to each college name. Clicking this option will begin the removal process for that particular choice, so be very sure of your selections. After deleting a college, the system will usually display a confirmation prompt. Carefully read this message to confirm you are removing the correct institution. There might also be a one-time password, or OTP, sent to your registered mobile number for verification. Input this code when prompted to proceed. Finally, remember to click the Save Preferences button to apply all your changes and lock them in. Remember to complete all modifications well before the official deadline, often set at 5 p.m. on the final day of the window. After saving your preferences, it is highly recommended to take a screenshot or print out your final list for your personal records. Be aware that once you confirm and submit, some platforms might not allow further changes, making your choices final and irreversible. Always review everything one last time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.